You guys, it is the best day ever because fall products are out at Trader Joe's, at least at mine. And I'm just ecstatic about it. So yeah, Ludo's eating. He always chooses to eat while I'm filming, so that's nice. Bradley's over there with the laundry, don't mind him. So I apologize about the lighting, but nothing I can do about it. We're in California and it is very fiery outside. It's orange and ashy and gray, so I apologize about the lighting. Maybe if I turn this on. That helped a little. Okay, so let's start with produce first as usual, then we'll get to the fall stuff. So we have an organic Caesar salad kit. You guys know I love that. Bananas, sweet potatoes, Bradley got some broccoli, some more diced onions, lemons, limes, a head of garlic, bell pepper, some avocado, cucumber, some corn. Got some carrots, some dill. I use these almost every day in my sandwich wrap, which I think I'm gonna make an a Instagram reel on how I make it, but we needed more of those. Tonight is pasta night, and we are actually making, it's right here, one of our favorite HelloFresh recipes. Not sponsored, obviously, it's Trader Joe's all, but it's called Creamy Dreamy Mushroom Gemelli. I don't even know how to say that. We use a different type of pasta, but we use this recipe all the time and we love it. And it needs green onions, so we picked those up, as well as mushrooms, and that recipe uses an entire carton, so we got 2 things of mushrooms, and then Bradley got some zucchini. I'm in love with this organic reduced sugar strawberry. It's like strawberry jam. It's so good. It's not too sweet. I don't know, it just tastes really great, and we ran out of that, so I got some more. And then my favorite Thai place, I love it because of their curry sauce, and this looks just like it. So I saw it once, I didn't buy it, and I've been thinking about it ever since, but then it was out of stock for a long time, and they finally had it. So I am excited to try this out and see if it compares to my favorite Thai food restaurant. Now into the fall fun stuff. So my second favorite, besides the butternut squash mac and cheese, is the pumpkin cream cheese. I am not even really like a pumpkin spice fan, or I wasn't. I think maybe in my old age I'm getting more into it, and this kind of converted me. It is so good. So I make my 2-ingredient dough pumpkins, but instead of putting salt and garlic salt in there, or garlic powder, I put cinnamon in there, and then I put these on top, and they're so good. So I'm very excited about that. This is a new product, apple cider fruit spread. I'm very excited to try that. Just an apple jam sounded good, and then cinnamon on top. I of course got some mini pumpkins, which let's initiate fall together right now. Fall has begun! Don't mind the camera charger. What? Oh, it's okay, Ludi. It's the first day of fall! It's not, but it's fall in here. Ludi did get a pumpkin outfit. Stay tuned on Instagram for pictures of that. But lots of costumes. Oh yeah, let's see the teeth. Yeah. I love you. So I just got a few mini pumpkins. I don't even know why. I just was elated to see them, so I threw those in the cart. Bradley wanted some coffee, and he saw this, so he decided to try this, the pumpkin spice coffee. And then along the same lines, they have this Harvest Blend herbal tea. It's caffeine free. I don't do caffeine, but look at this little fox. That is an actual photo of me. I'm excited to try that tonight. Let's have tea tonight, honey. Okay. This card was just too cute. Just a little ghost. It says boo on it. I believe it's blank inside. Oh no, it's not blank inside. It has that inside. That is so cute. And if you didn't know, Trader Joe's cards are 99 cents. So they're like the most affordable way to send a card.
Now you know.
Hamilton for life. But yeah, it's 99 cents. They're so cheap and they're so cute. So whenever I see one I like, I buy it. Since we're stuck inside, we bought this Haunted House chocolate cookie kit. It's like a gingerbread. I thought it was gingerbread. I'm just now realizing it's chocolate, so that's exciting. But I thought this would be fun for us to do. I don't think we've ever done a gingerbread house together, have we? We'll be doing it together. It's haunted.
Fighting over the
we'll be fighting. Great. This just sounded good to me. The Autumnal Harvest Soup, a creamy tomato-based soup with pumpkin and butternut squash. That just sounded really good. I, of course, got a pumpkin tree, which I'm so excited about. Look at these. They're so cute, and they're like alive, so you put them in water like, you know, normal flowers. I don't know how long they'll last, we'll see, but I have no problem buying these like every couple weeks until Halloween. This just looked really good. Maple and sea salt kettle corn. Yes. Oh, and then also we bought this like shopping bag. I loved all the vegetables on it. It caught my eye, and I like thought to myself like, oh, I like that. And then Bradley said out loud, oh, I like that. Oh, we bought a snagged one. That's unfortunate. It was also only $3, and it's a very big.
If we like it, we're gonna get more.
Yeah, which I think we did enjoy it, but yeah. We bought one for now, but we'll probably get more. You can get used to these in my hauls until they go away, because I just buy a couple boxes every time I go to stock up my freezer. We already had one, so I got another one and then another one on top of that. But it's the butternut squash mac and cheese. It's the greatest thing in the world. You guys just trust. I loved these. These were, I mentioned them in my latest favorites video, which I can link up in the corner, but the dark chocolate cookie sticks. They're so good. You can have 6 of these for 10 points on Weight Watchers. No, backwards. 10 points for 6 of, okay. 10 cookies for 6 points. Strike that, reverse it. So you can have 6 cookies. No, you can have 10. You can have 10 cookies for 6 points, but I don't need 10 cookies. I just need like 2, and then I'm done.
How many points would that be?
Maybe like 1.
Yes, that's very good.
Very good. So I got 2 more of those because we went through those very quickly, and then of course 2 cans of special cookies. I'm not even filming, I'm looking at it in real life. This is new and I'm excited about it because I actually really like Brazilian cheese bread. If you've never had like Brazilian cheese bread, it is delicious, and I'm hoping this is good. It's in the freezer section, so wanted to try that out. I am quite actually obsessed with the, I knew I was obsessed with these, the Everything Bagel Pretzel Slims, but then I've been dipping them in the garlic spread dip. This is in my last grocery haul, or my Trader Joe's haul. I can link it up in the corner. This stuff is so good. This is a recent discovery. I can't live without it now. I don't know how I've been living without it. And like every day I have some dip in that. And I want to cut up like carrots and celery as well to have them ready to go because I just crave that dip all day long. A lot of you guys asked to see Bradley's alcohol that he gets. This is Cabernet Sauvignon, the 2-buck chuck.
To see it?
Yeah. He got some imported original London dry gin, and then well, it looks like he needs an accent. And then he likes whatever kind of beer this is. He just switches up the colors, but he got blue and red.
As far as my reviews on things, this beer is cheap. It's not great.
Oh, he's not a man of quality.
I like quality. I don't know. Wish I had more money for quality.
He's
things.
cheap.
I'm cheap is, yes.
Honey, treat yourself. You gonna have some beer now?
Yes.
I got some more Greek yogurt because I need to make my bagels for my pumpkin cream cheese. Some milk, we just get the lactose free. 2 things of eggs, that garlic spread like I said. We've been loving making Ina's ciabatta garlic bread recipe, and I love that they have like a small baguette, the demi baguette. So we picked that up. And then some turkey, and I think that that is it. But okay guys, that is our first fall Trader Joe's haul. I'm sure there'll be many more. I'm sure this is just the tip of the iceberg of what has come out yet. Nothing really new has come out besides that apple cider jam. Everything is just kind of like repeats. So you can expect more. If you want more Trader Joe's hauls, I can link them up in the corner. But yeah, I'm gonna go put all this stuff away now. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you very soon, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.